Here is an HP Envoy Photo 7800 series printer, and as you can see, it's got this cartridge problem, and we tried turning it off and turning it on, and we looked up in the instructions, and it'll lift this up, and one video said, well, you just take it out, clean the contacts. We took a cloth, cleaned the contacts. There's contacts down in there. See those contacts down in there? And we cleaned those and put it back in. And is it gonna work? No. There's still a cartridge problem there. So finally, this is my father's printer. We found out, if you look, that one says 64 and this one says 60. Cartridges are the same. They look good. That's the problem. So we went down to the supply store, office supply store, and we got the correct cartridge. Put the correct cartridge in, and I'm making this video because you might have the same problem, and that should be it. There we go. Problem solved.